Remixable software refers to software applications or systems that are designed to be easily modified, extended, or customized by users. It is often associated with the concept of remixing in the context of software development. Remixable software typically provides a set of tools, frameworks, or APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow users to manipulate and reconfigure the software's functionality, user interface, or data processing capabilities. This flexibility enables users to adapt the software to their specific needs, create variations or derivatives of the original software, or integrate it with other systems or services. Here are a few key aspects and benefits of remixable software. Modularity. Remixable software is often built with a modular architecture, where different components or modules can be easily added, removed, or replaced. This modular design enables users to customize the software by selecting and arranging the desired modules to create new combinations of functionality. Extensibility. Remixable software offers ways to extend its capabilities through plugins, extensions, or custom scripts. These mechanisms allow users to add new features, integrate with external services, or enhance existing functionality without modifying the core codebase. Customization. Users can customize the user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, of remixable software to suit their preferences or specific requirements. This may involve rearranging UI elements, changing color schemes, or modifying workflows to optimize the software for individual or organizational needs. Integration. Remixable software often provides APIs or other integration points that allow users to connect it with external systems or services. This enables users to leverage existing tools, data sources, or infrastructure and combine them with the remixable software to create more powerful and versatile solutions. Community collaboration. Remixable software often fosters a community of users and developers who share and collaborate on modifications, extensions, and customizations. This collaborative environment encourages the exchange of ideas, promotes innovation, and facilitates the creation of a diverse ecosystem of remixes and adaptations. Remixable software can be found in various domains, including web development frameworks, content management systems, creative tools, and open-source projects. By empowering users to modify and adapt software to their needs, remixable software promotes flexibility, innovation, and democratization of technology.